But he said that he is going to do something to restore peace and normalcy. But we don't believe that he will do that. Thank you. All the time, the entire people of Manipur, these ask and request Honorable Prime Minister to visit once here in Manipur. But he never visit Manipur. This is why this is a sign of negligence. The people of Manipur. Yes, today, as a part of nationwide march to the governors, every state also marching to the governor's office in the different states and union territory. As a part of it, AICC has given the instructions to march to the governor's office of Manipur. All the leaders of our party, Manipur, this Congress party, Manipur's Congress leaders, we march to the governor's office, governor's gate, and these hundreds of our workers of our this Congress party, they also join, and also we have done a lot of rallies and a lot of agitations against the government for not restoring the peace and the normalcy in the state of Manipur. And as a part of the nationwide, this march to the governor's office, when we reach to the governor's gate, honorable governors invited our 15 leaders of our Congress party, including the deputy CLP leaders, MLAs, and ex-ministers. We met honorable governor, and we have submitted one memorandum also, and also in that memorandum as well as, and we have interacted with honorable governor, saying that we are saying that the peace and the normalcy should be restored in Manipur immediately. Otherwise, we cannot see the pains and the sorrows of the people of Manipur. That's why we urge the honorable governor to have an immediate response to restore the peace and the normalcy in the state. So this is one of the most important things that we have urged the honorable governor. And also we have interacted many things that the governor, the governor also had the patient hearing with the words that we have to him. And also we we discussed about the present government, which never acting to resolve the solution here in the state. So about this government, we discussed that if there is any, the program of the state function like any platform, whenever the ministers and the chief ministers say anything, then the next day there is the firing in and around the periphery area of the state. So this is happening. So there is no this belief on there is no confidence with this government, because this whatever we say, there is no response at all. People are suffering. The people are painful, and we are still facing this painful, the turmoil situation here. That's why we interacted many things. I extend my thankfulness to the AICC for this nationwide march to all the respective states to the office of the governor. So in fact, this is one point. Another point we have that the Modi Adani scheme, mega scheme that we have now. All the time, our LOP, leader of opposition Rahul ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji, and other MPs raise these issues in Parliament and seek these investigations against this mega scheme, Modi Adani, and which is highest corruption and looting the funds of India, looting the funds of the people of India. This is also one of the agenda that we have, this marching of these people, marching of these Congress leaders towards the governor's gate. In fact, that is why all the time the entire people of Manipur, these ask and request Honorable Prime Minister to visit once here in Manipur. But he never visit Manipur. This is why this is a sign of negligence. The people of Manipur. One family is more than important than the people of Manipur. That is why he was this patiently here, whatever we have interacted with him. But he said that he is going to do something to restore peace and normalcy. But we don't believe that he will do that.